It's time for Word of the Week, Kevin. And this week's word is brought to you by the letter R for reprice. This word, it just seems like something borrowers need to know as they try to predict interest rates. Tell us about it.
Everyone loves to think that they have the magic wand, right? We're all Warren Buffett and we're going to pick the bottoms and we're going to ride out the tops. Isn't that always the case? But what reprices every single day, lenders all the way from top to bottom with every program that they offer, reprice their interest rate sheets. And that is basically when a lender updates or publishes the daily sheet. And the critical thing there is they publish it first thing in the morning. And then, depending on the release of economic data, because often it can come out midday, depends on what it is, or one of the Fed members can speak, we will get a reprice. I remember being back in the business in the early 2000s. Yes, dating myself, when all rates would come over on fact sheets and we would get 9 different reprices every day. It was that volatile. Do I think we're going to be in that volatile market moving forward? I don't. But with the data that is now coming post the government shutdown, I think there's a huge opportunity for repricing to occur. And it can happen at any time. It really just depends on those lenders. Every lender does it at different times. You may have data come out. One lender decides within 10 minutes they're going to do it. Another one may wait an hour and a half. What I suggest that borrowers need to do is just make sure that they're in touch with their mortgage professional. They know what economic data is coming, when is it coming, and what is the strategy should rates move quickly if they need to do something now. That is the big thing, because repricing is going to happen. I think for the remainder of this year, it's going to be multiple times per day, and it could be for us or it could be against us. But you got to have a strategy. Otherwise, you are not going to be guessing the top and bottom. Trust me. I've tried to do it for over 25 years and I still haven't figured it out.
If you can't do it, no one can.
That's right. Thank you, Jennifer. What a plug.